She's a little smoky this morning, eh? Welcome back to another video, and let's not talk about that. Today we're gonna be hopping on a trailer build. The frame's painted, as y'all know from the last video. We got the floor painted. The floor is completely painted, and it's like that roofing floor. If I got any roofers in the comments or anything, comment down below. I'd love to see that. So it goes in, out, so the rain can go through there. And I decided let's use, we have diamond aluminum laying around, so I decided let's just use that instead of that, because you can break your ankle really easy on that, and we can use that on something else. Future build coming up for that. But anyways, we're gonna use the diamond aluminum. It's gonna look good, and I'll go ahead and tell y'all the color scheme. The color scheme is gonna be black frame, as y'all know, black frame, white sides, diamond aluminum floor, bolted down. So I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to work on it today, because I need to get the bolts, but I can sand the sides down right now, get them ready for white paint, and prime them down, paint them. I probably won't be able to get them painted today, but maybe I can. And if you watch my other video on the EPA and the RPM Act, please go sign the RPM Act. It's in the other video's description. I probably will forget to put it in this description. I used a different editing app for last video. Tell me if y'all liked it or not. And go follow the TikTok, Landon_3.0_. And the Discord, go hit up the Discord for behind the scenes. You'll be able to talk to me, like, not most of the day, but off camera. It's like a little, I guess you want to call it OnlyFans, but not OnlyFans, if that makes sense. But yeah, let's hop back into the video, and yeah. Boys, about to go look at the wheels. I usually don't cut on the lights when I'm in this building, but since I got the camera with me, I will. The wheels are right here. So this is what the wheels look like for the trailer. I just took off the tires yesterday. So they're not that bad of shape. I hope y'all can see in here. But like, I mean, you got the surface rust right here, of course, but not that bad of shape, which I'm gonna repaint them anyways. This one is probably the worst one, with the surface rust over here and over here, but they're not that bad. So I don't know what color I'm gonna do with these. I'm not doing black, but comment down below what color you'd like to see these. Let's get a little cold start, boys, on this thing. Get the morning started. We might start that big old green hefty over there. Let's get this thing started. It's like 30 degrees now. We had 2 tornadoes the other day. I want to say 2 days ago. It was Thursday. So then today's Saturday. This video will probably go out on Monday or Sunday. It might go out tomorrow. Let's see if I have to glow plug it. Might have to. Yeah. Might have to glow plug it. Let's just glow plug it for a minute. Boys, we gotta go tow this out of here, cut it in half. I need a cameraman, honestly. We need to come down more. I don't want to get down here because it's a little bit muddy. It rained. Well, the 2 tornadoes, it rained a little bit. Yeah, that should be good. All we need is about 2 feet of linkage. I need to get a bigger tank. That's good. Just hook it around here, tie it back. There might be a snake in here too. Yeah. What Chevy? Oh, the Chevelle? I'm not sure. Probably won't have time today. Alright. I'm gonna get the saw and cut it in half. This me annoying to cut. It's really late. I'll probably just cut it right down here with this weld. Straight up. Or just cut it right here. Straight. It's not as long as I thought it was. This used to be the pipe that ran into the pond. We had to change it. Because this is metal. As y'all know, metal rust. So, yeah. Don't you love it when the batteries don't charge on the saw? Because I sure do. So I'm supposed to cut this in half so it can go on the truck. And then this is the weakest spot. I can hit it with the axe. I'm halfway down. As you can see, it's like all that dirt. I just did it to see what would happen. This axe is dull, by the way, too. I'm definitely warm now, but I cut it halfway down, but when you get to this hard metal, this little dull blade can't hit through that. So now I gotta wait about an hour for the batteries to charge. So I'm probably gonna work on the trailer while I wait for that. But it's just a pain in the butt. Sorry about that wind. It's a pain in the butt when you're trying to do something and that happens. So you gotta come back to it. Old diesel is firing up fine now, dude. Like no hesitation, just nothing. Look at that. I got that one on video, but got it in there. Got the chain. This battery does not work that good, and they're trying to make electric cars when you can't even have a battery that lasts 6 months. Okay. Anyways, got it in there. It's all good. Good. Just, you know, a little bit of a hammer. The saw's on the chain. We got it. So this is gonna be. So instead of doing that other floor, my other video with the EPA, I know the shotguns and shit. But instead of doing the floor I was gonna do, like the roofing, which should get cracked right there. That wind, I'm so sorry about that wind. I'll turn my voice up. We did this. So it's gonna look a lot better. The rain's gonna go through here. Honestly, that don't bother me that much. It did at first, but it don't really bother me as that much, a finger foot. So I'm gonna cut this, weld it in there, cut that, put it in there. We got our wiring coming out right here. This is our wiring. This is this side, the orange lights right there. We got orange light right here. We got brake light and turn signal. We got orange light right there. It's gonna be hooked up in there. No, this is the orange light right here. Turn signal, brake, orange light, main support right here. The harness basically. Raise this up. Show y'all a little more. I haven't raised it up with that metal. That's gonna be a lot more weight. So I gotta make sure these posts are on there. If you're ever lifting up a car, anything, all I gotta do is meant to say is just be safe. Especially with this lift, it's the sketchiest lift you ever use. It jumps on you, so when I had that Ranger on it, it jumps on you. Yeah, I thought that Ranger was gonna fall off at one point. So right now we got our wires running a little crazy right now. This is right here, we're gonna connect back. This is a little bit of the main support from, as y'all remember, let me try to get y'all out of that wind. Y'all remember it had that hookup right there? Well, we got these wires now going into these tubes, running all the way back to the brake and turn signal to right here too. So these are gonna be hooked up. That's our negative. We might run a new negative somewhere else though. And then this is the line that goes all the way through the tongue. That's the main connector. The main support, if you want to say, the hookup, the harness. Not that big in wiring, but I'm learning more about the wiring. So if I say the wiring wrong, comment down below. But yeah, electric work is fun. It's honestly fun, more fun than you would think it is. Like doing electrical work and running your own wire. Which, shout out to my grandpa, he knows how to do that stuff blindfolded with one hand. It's just that good. And that's my superstar right there. That's who I look up to. But yeah, there she is. We gotta get we got the wheels off. I gotta get the wheels cleaned, but I'm gonna clean this right now and then show y'all a little montage of cleaning that maybe. Who knows? Let's get y'all out of this wind. I didn't get really a good video. Forgot to pick up the camera. That's rust. That ain't coming off. But alright, it is the next week, I think, because I started that video last weekend. It's almost this weekend. This weekend we got a good video coming out Saturday. I'll go and spoil it if it doesn't rain. And if everything gets out good and we get the equipment that we're supposed to get, we're having new equipment come over. Not new build, not new project, nothing like that. Real, like, a good equipment. We might paint it, who knows. It's pretty big. It's gonna be nice. I'll let y'all guess. It's probably gonna replace the Bobcat. So it's gotta be bigger than the Bobcat. It's gotta be way bigger than the Bobcat. And we're gonna haul it on a roll bag or a step deck home. So it's gotta be bigger than the Bobcat. And it's pretty big because you have to haul it on a roll bag. So just keep that in mind. And comment down below if you guess it. And if you guess it right, then who knows, I might tell you. Anyways, thank you for watching the video. Hit the sub button, hit the like button, and I'll see y'all in the next video, which will be Saturday, probably post on Monday. I'm going to try to get this video out right now, try to edit it and stuff. School's been really trying to get me, like, behind and shit, and, like, because I got to do school, and then I got to do this, and it's, like, balancing them out. It's really crazy, but I'm trying to edit my videos better, too, so it's, like, balancing them out, because I'm trying to learn more about editing more stuff, because I'm not the best. I'm not perfect at editing, and I'm trying to get really good at editing. So last video did not go that as good as well. I usually use iMovie. If anybody wants to know what I use usually use iMovie and YouTube. And for my thumbnails, if you have any questions, I'll make a whole video about it. But yeah, I use combo of those, but last time I just used your iMovie, and then all I did is put the music through YouTube, so I probably won't get copyrighted, which I've only got like one video that's been copyrighted, and that was the golf thing, because they played music in the background, and I forgot about. Should have edited it out if I knew how to, back in the day. So, yeah, but if y'all want a whole video about that, then we can. Smash the like button, guys, hit the sub, and I'll see y'all in the next video.